Although our horizontal supports are looking pretty good overall, if we take a close look, there are a couple burn marks from the router. At this point, we need to do our final sanding for all of the horizontal supports. On any large surface area, we're going to be using the palm sander. And for any radiused round over edges, we're going to be hand sanding that. However, during this process, you do not want to sand the ends. We want that nice sharp edge on the ends so that it will fit tightly up against the side pieces of our project. And after final sanding is complete, our project pieces are looking great.